Mint is in season right now, so if it's growing in your garden, you likely have a ton of it. If not, it's cheap at the farmer's market. So buy a bundle and what you don't use, making this creamy dairy-free mint chip ice cream, throw together with chicken and watermelon for a satisfying salad in minutes. Mint is highly underrated. Not only does it make your taste buds pop, mint aids in digestion, lightens your mood, soothes headaches, helps clear up acne and boosts weight loss. Studies show that just the smell of fresh mint gives you a quick energy boost. Click to tweet the easy leftover grilled chicken and avocado. Add protein and healthy fat to fill you up and keep you in fat-burning mode. Like Abel says, salads are the ultimate man food. From our picnic table to yours, we hope enjoy this summer salad. Before you go, if you're looking for more recipes to round out your party or your weekday meals, check out the Fat Burning Tribe to access our entire library. If you hurry, you can participate in our Wild 30 Fat Loss Challenge. Download the 30-day meal plan and access our library of recipes and videos for free for the first 7 days. Cancel anytime. Try out this sweet and savory chicken and arugula salad with watermelon and share your thoughts and pictures in a comment below, or on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Did you whip this salad together? Leave a comment below to let us know how it turned out. Share this with your friends. Chicken and arugula salad with watermelon. Save. Print cook time 10 minutes, total time 10 minutes. Author, Alison Rose. Serves 2 to 4 ingredients: large bunch of arugula, 1 avocado, peeled and chopped 3 tablespoons mint leaves, chopped 1/2 red onion, chopped 2 cups watermelon, chopped 1/2 cup walnuts, chopped 2 cups cooked chicken breast, shredded feta cheese, optional, 1/4 cup balsamic vinegar, 1/4 cup olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: toss arugula, avocado, mint, onion, watermelon, walnuts, and chicken together in a large bowl. Sprinkle feta cheese over the top, if using. Salt and pepper to taste. In a small bottle, combine balsamic vinegar and olive and shake. Add to salad, as needed. Serve.